Is your social media business prepared for the future? If not, you're going to want to dive into my favorite tool to help you dig deep and understand what's working and what's not working in your business by analyzing both internal and external components. This simple tool will help you uncover your business's biggest opportunities so that you're prepared for growth, which in times like these, where lots of social media freelancers and agencies are frankly not doing well, we need to be able to take a step back and understand our place in the market and how we can set ourselves up for success. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Andrea Jones. I am a mindful marketing strategist, and I mentor social media pros to help them build a business that works for them. Yes, through the kids and the graduations and the aging parents and lifing. If that sounds good to you, hit subscribe because I've got more goodness coming your way. Let's get into the SWOT analysis. Hi, so today I want to encourage you to do a SWOT analysis on your business currently. Now, SWOT stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. And this is a great exercise to revisit yearly or quarterly to examine where you can improve in your business. This is something that we do in the mentorship program as well in a different format. So I want to break it down into a simple exercise for you today. And I'm going to use my business as an example. Now, strengths and weaknesses, these two here are internal, and opportunities and threats, these two at the bottom, are external. So you may need to do some competitor research and competitor analysis as you go through this. So look around at those people in your business and in your field that you're like, oh, they do something similar to me, but they do it a little bit different. And why is that? So for us, our strength is our team. We have an amazing team. Our clients love working with our team. We get lots of great feedback on that, as well as our process. So our clients love to go through our process. They like that we use Airtable. They like how organized we are. They like that we think ahead for them and we're their brain when it comes to strategic alignment. So that works really well for us. And we also have several add-ons that we do in-house that our clients like as well. So for very special clients, we do things like podcast editing, YouTube, complete management, email marketing, things like that. And that really works to our advantage. Some of our weaknesses. Ooh, I struggle to use that word. My number 2 strength is positivity. So I have a little toxic positivity sometimes. It is a weakness, is our results. So we get amazing results. This is really showing our results and showing them longer than a month. So right now we do monthly reports. We don't do quarterly or yearly. We don't do an offboarding report. And we have had a few clients request this. So it's definitely something we want to keep in mind as we navigate making some changes in the business. The other thing that is a weakness for us, speed. Social media changes very quickly. And while we work about a week or two ahead of time, sometimes when something happens, like something urgent happens, we do struggle a little bit with turning that around quickly enough for our clients. And we've gotten that feedback in the past. This is a weakness though that I don't think we can fix because of the size of our team and our commitment to excellence and quality of work. I don't think we can fix it, but it's a known weakness. And I think it's important to know some of those things as well. So area of opportunities, I'm going to go back to our add-on services. Because there's a few services we don't offer that people have asked, things like SEO, photography and video. So we're thinking about doing some of those things potentially, or we just have to know that our competitors offer this service and we don't. We also need to consider some opportunities in price. We've been playing around with a local package. Local businesses do not need as much as some of our coaching, consulting, online business owners. And so we're looking at creating a local package price to meet those entrepreneurs and business owners where they are. We also get feedback from clients on the way out that our price is high. And while our clients do stay with us an average a year, we want to try to extend that as much as possible. So I'd rather for a client stay with us for 2 years at a lower rate. So we're trying to play around with pricing to find that sweet spot. Some complete threats to us are AI. If we don't get on AI right now and address it head on, I think it could potentially be damaging to our business. Video, especially TikTok, is a threat because the TikToks that go viral don't require an agency to create them. So how do we support people and clients in creating viral content when they don't need us, right? So that's a threat to our business. And then also the perception of social media. Public perception right now for social media is low. People don't necessarily like it. And we're moving into an era of, we're moving past perfectly polished social media. So how do we support our clients having something that looks raw and like they just woke up and made it, but they're having an agency support them? So I hope this gives you an idea of how you can do your own SWOT analysis. Before you go, if you want to dive deeper into what it takes to build a social media business that works for you, the first step is usually raising your rates. I've got a free private podcast that goes in depth into how to do this the ethical way, the thoughtful way, without just doubling them arbitrarily. There's formulas involved, okay? So check out the private podcast and thank me later.